Hey guys, today I want to show you the Samsonite Ziplite 4-spinner. That's just a weird name. Hey guys, today I want to show you the Samsonite Ziplite 4-spinner underseater. As this is called an underseater, this is designed to be small enough so it'll literally fit under the seat in front of you, and if not, it'll easily fit into the overhead cabinet. But one thing to keep in mind, this is small enough to be your personal item on many airlines. Of course, that's going to vary from airline to airline, but check out the specifics on your airline before you fly, because this is intended to be small enough to be your personal item. In terms of how big this piece of luggage actually is, the external dimensions are 18.2 inches by 13.9 inches by 8 inches. So that's going to be small enough to fit as a personal item or an underseat item for all of the airlines that I flew, that I checked into. But even if it's too big for your airline, it's going to easily fit into the overhead compartment, which makes it easier to travel with. I want to show you the internal dimensions. First of all, let's take a look at the zipper here. As you see, it doesn't have a TSA lock, but it does have the place you can put your own lock. So you can lock this luggage if you want. Very nice zipper. It goes all the way to the bottom so that it opens flat like a hinge here. Let's go ahead and have a look. So quite a wide internal dimension for something of this size. 15.5 by 13.3 by 7.2 inches is your actual internal dimensions. So it's not expandable, it doesn't have any external storage pockets or anything like that. It only weighs in at 5.3 pounds, so it's quite a light piece of luggage, and then it has a 10-year limited warranty, so it's gonna last you a while. So this Samsonite Ziplite 4 Jeez, that's a lot of words. This Samsonite Ziplite 4 Spinner Underseater is made 100% from polycarbonate with this mesh texture on the outside. So that means it has excellent scratch resistance, and it's also going to be strong and resilient while remaining light. The one I've been showing you is in this nice deep rich blue color here, but it also comes in a black as well as other color choices. You get 4 multi-directional airflow spinner wheels for easy rolling, and this works for a variety of different surfaces, over pavement, over smooth surfaces, and of course in airports, no problem. It has a built-in handle on top, which is really nice if you just want to carry it, or it has this locking expandable handle here. It locks in at 2 different points, and it's designed so it comfortably fits in your hand, so you can have it really tall, or you can have it down shorter, just kind of depending on what you're doing at the time. Now this is one of my favorite features. I absolutely love this. Built in right on the side of the bag, as you can see, this is a nice rubberized little closure here. I can pull that off, and it's a USB port. This is a standard USB port, and it has a space within the bag that you can put a battery bank, and then what you can do is you can charge your phone directly from the bag, right? So you don't have to have an external battery pack or something like that. Your external battery pack goes into the suitcase, and then this convenient USB port is going to let you charge things on the go without having to fumble around with external stuff. You want to open the zipper up all the way because it has this hinge design, so it makes it easy to access both sides of this. As you can see in the upper section here, we've got this big mesh pocket. That's going to help keep things in place, keep them organized. And in this bottom section, this is a great feature. This fits a 15-inch laptop as well as a tablet. This clips into place with these 2 clips on the side. Then this Velcro is in place at the bottom. So you can take this out. This can hold your laptop, full-size laptop, and a tablet in it. And then as we see, this is your main storage area below that. So it keeps everything organized. You can pack everything in here. You don't need a laptop bag as well. Put all your clothes, put your laptop, your iPad in here, and then you want to clip it in place using these clips on the side here. And that's going to help keep everything very, very organized. I want to give you a sense of what I can actually fit in this bag here. So got 1 pair of pants, 2 pair of pants, pair of shorts, couple shirts, couple pairs of socks, toiletry bag, Puffco proxy case, don't leave home without it. This is a full 15-inch laptop as well as a sleep mask. Now, if I was actually going on a longer trip, I know I could fit more stuff in here, but it comfortably fits this much stuff. So it really depends how much stuff you're carrying and what size it is. If you're trying to take a pair of work boots, this is not going to be a great choice. You want to make sure you wear those on the plane. I bought this luggage because I don't want to check my bag. It's expensive. It makes your whole travel time take way longer. And what I really don't like is when you get on a plane, you have your carry-on luggage and there's no space for it. So I wanted something that's going to fit under a seat if I need to, but more realistically, I can easily fit it in the overhead compartment, and it's going to count as your personal item, or at the very least your carry-on item. You're not ever going to have to check something like this unless you're the very last person on an airline. And the other thing is, I find when I travel, I often take way too much stuff. I take 4 or 5 shirts and I wear 2 shirts. Having something that's a little smaller like this makes you minimize your packing and help you maximize your planning and only take the essentials while making sure you're not going to have to pay the extra fee or the hassle of checking your luggage.